The Unseen Sentinels. Top 5 attack drones dominating modern warfare. Hello everyone, and a very warm welcome back to the Pooru Sharma Show. This is your ultimate destination, the place where we meticulously explore the intricate tapestry of power, cutting-edge technology, and the brilliant strategy that underpins modern defense systems from around the globe. I'm thrilled you've joined me today because we have an absolutely electrifying topic lined up. We're going to be soaring high into the skies, metaphorically speaking of course, to uncover and dissect the capabilities of the top 5 most powerful attack drones. These aren't just remote-controlled planes, these are sophisticated aerial platforms that are actively redefining the very nature of aerial warfare as we know it, influencing military doctrines and strategic planning across every major global power. These incredible machines, these unmanned aerial vehicles or UAVs, are at the forefront of a technological revolution in combat. They masterfully combine elements that were once the domain of science fiction, incredible stealth capabilities, allowing them to operate undetected deep within enemy territory, astonishing endurance that keeps them airborne for days at a time, and a truly deadly array of firepower, from precision-guided missiles to sophisticated bombs. This potent combination makes them absolutely essential, indispensable assets to the world's leading militaries. They are the eyes in the sky, the long-range fist, and the persistent watchman, all rolled into one technologically advanced package. Their impact is so profound that they are changing the calculus of conflict. So buckle up and prepare for an in-depth exploration. We're not just going to list them, we'll delve into what makes each one a formidable force, examining their operational histories, their technological specifications, and their strategic implications on the global stage. This is more than just a rundown of military hardware, it's a glimpse into the evolving landscape of international security and the future of combat. Let's begin our flight into the future of war, a future increasingly shaped by these powerful unmanned sentinels of the sky. The Apex Predator MQ-9 Reaper USA. Kicking off our list at number 1, we have a name synonymous with modern drone warfare, the MQ-9 Reaper. Developed by the renowned General Atomics Aeronautical Systems for the United States Air Force, the Reaper isn't just a drone, it's a statement of aerial dominance and technological superiority. Originally conceived as a hunter-killer UAV, it has more than lived up to its designation, becoming one of the most lethal and widely deployed drones on the planet. Its design philosophy emphasizes long endurance, high-altitude surveillance, and the ability to deliver precision strikes with devastating accuracy. The Reaper is a multi-mission marvel, capable of intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, ISR, close air support, combat search and rescue, and of course, precision strike missions. Its versatility is a key factor in its continued relevance and widespread use by the US and its allies. The MQ-9 Reaper boasts an impressive array of capabilities that make it a truly formidable asset. It's engineered to carry a significant payload, often a mix of AGM-114 Hellfire missiles, renowned for their pinpoint accuracy against a variety of targets, and GBU-12 Paveway, 2 laser-guided bombs, or even GBU-38 Joint Direct Attack Munitions, JDAMs. This firepower is complemented by its remarkable flight endurance, capable of staying aloft for over 27 hours, allowing for persistent surveillance over target areas. It can operate at altitudes up to 50,000 feet, placing it well above the reach of many conventional anti-aircraft systems, and cruises at a top speed of around 480 kilometers per hour. This combination of loiter time, altitude, and speed makes it an incredibly effective platform for time-sensitive targeting and long-duration ISR. What truly sets the Reaper apart, beyond its weaponry and flight characteristics, is its sophisticated sensor suite. Equipped with multispectral targeting systems, including electro-optical/infrared, EO/IR sensors, laser designators, and synthetic aperture radar, the Reaper provides real-time, high-resolution intelligence to operators often thousands of miles away. This constant stream of data enables not just target identification but also pattern-of-life analysis and battlefield situational awareness, leading to deadly accuracy when strikes are authorized. The Reaper has seen extensive operational use in theaters like Afghanistan, Iraq, and Syria, shaping countless engagements. Furthermore, it continues to evolve, with ongoing upgrades incorporating advanced artificial intelligence for improved autonomy, enhanced data processing, and satellite-linked communications for global reach, solidifying its position as a true flagship of modern drone warfare and a benchmark against which other attack drones are often measured. The Anatolian Eagle Bayraktar Akıncı, Turkey. Next up, soaring into our number 2 spot, we have the Bayraktar Akıncı, a testament to Turkey's rapidly advancing defense industry and its ambitions in the realm of unmanned aerial systems. Developed by the innovative Turkish company Bayraktar Technologies, the Akıncı, which translates to Raider, is a significant step up from its already famous predecessor, the Bayraktar TB2. This is a next-generation high-altitude long-endurance, or HALE UAV, designed from the ground up to undertake more complex and demanding strategic missions. It represents a leap in Turkey's indigenous capabilities, showcasing their ability to produce highly sophisticated combat drones that can compete on the global stage. The Akıncı is not just an attack platform, it's a multi-role system designed for a wide spectrum of operations. One of the most striking features of the Bayraktar Akıncı is its impressive payload capacity and its ability to deploy a diverse range of munitions, many of which are domestically produced in Turkey. This includes smart micro-munitions like the MAML and MAM-C, larger precision-guided bombs, SOM cruise missiles for long-range standoff attacks, and even the potential for air-to-air missiles, giving it a capability that few drones possess. With a substantial payload capacity of around 1,350 kilograms, distributed between internal and external hardpoints, it can carry a formidable arsenal. Coupled with its ability to fly at altitudes reaching 40,000 feet and its significant endurance, the Akıncı offers both strategic reach and tactical precision, making it a highly versatile and powerful asset for the Turkish armed forces and potential export customers. Beyond its kinetic capabilities, the Akıncı is heavily integrated with cutting-edge technology, including sophisticated artificial intelligence algorithms that enhance its autonomy, data processing, and decision-making support for operators. It's designed to perform a wide array of non-strike missions as well, such as advanced electronic warfare, signals intelligence, SIGINT, gathering by intercepting and analyzing enemy communications and radar emissions, and even air policing roles in certain scenarios. The Akıncı truly represents Turkey's emergence as a significant drone powerhouse. Its capabilities have garnered considerable global attention, particularly following successful demonstrations in military operations and its prominent display at international defense expositions, signaling a new player in the high-stakes game of advanced aerial warfare technology. Our number 3 contender flies in from the East China's Wing Loong 2. Manufactured by the Chengdu Aircraft Industry Group, a major player in China's aerospace sector, the Wing Loong 2 is a medium-altitude, long-endurance, unmanned aerial vehicle that has made significant inroads in the global drone market. It is often seen as a direct competitor to the American MQ-9 Reaper, offering a comparable suite of capabilities in terms of surveillance, reconnaissance, and strike missions. The development and successful deployment of the Wing Loong 2 underscore China's growing prowess in military aviation technology and its ambition to become a leading exporter of advanced defense systems. It's a platform designed for versatility and cost-effectiveness, appealing to a wide range of international customers. The Wing Loong 2 is a formidable armed reconnaissance platform. It can be equipped with a variety of munitions, including laser-guided bombs like the BA-7, air-to-surface missiles such as the AR-1 and AR-2, and other precision-guided weapons, allowing it to engage a wide array of targets, from armored vehicles to fortified positions. A key feature is its adaptability. It can be customized with different sensor packages and weapon loadouts based on specific client requirements, making it an attractive option for nations seeking tailored UAV solutions. In terms of performance, the Wing Loong 2 boasts an impressive endurance of up to 32 hours, allowing for extended time on station, and a combat radius reportedly exceeding 1,500 kilometers, giving it significant operational reach for both ISR and strike operations. This combination of range and reliability makes it a valuable asset for border patrol, counterinsurgency, and conventional warfare scenarios. the Wing Loong 2 has achieved considerable export success, making it one of the most widely proliferated Chinese drones. It has found popularity among countries in the Middle East, Africa, and Asia that are looking to acquire advanced unmanned aerial capabilities at prices often more competitive than Western alternatives. Nations such as the United Arab Emirates, Egypt, Saudi Arabia, and Pakistan are among its known operators. Its performance in various regional conflicts, particularly in the Middle Eastern theater, has served to solidify its reputation as a capable and combat-proven system. The continued development and export of the Wing Loong 2 highlight China's strategic intent to expand its influence in the global arms market and to challenge established players in the high-tech defense sector. Flying into our fourth position is a drone hailing from a nation renowned for its pioneering work in unmanned aerial technology, Israel's Heron TP, also known by its Israel Air Force designation Eitan, which means strong or steadfast. Developed by the esteemed Israel Aerospace Industries, the Heron TP is Israel's most advanced and largest operational UAV. It is specifically designed for long-range, high-altitude strategic missions, encompassing intelligence gathering, surveillance, target acquisition, and reconnaissance, as well as carrying a significant offensive payload. The Heron TP is a culmination of decades of Israeli experience in developing and operating UAVs in complex and demanding security environments, reflecting a deep understanding of the operational requirements for such systems. The Heron TP is a truly massive drone, with a wingspan comparable to that of a Boeing 737, measuring over 26 meters. Its maximum takeoff weight is a substantial 5,670 kilograms, allowing it to carry multiple types of advanced sensor payloads, and a considerable arsenal of precision-guided weapons. While specific armament details are often closely guarded, it is understood to be capable of deploying a variety of munitions to engage targets with high accuracy from standoff distances. One of its standout features is its exceptional endurance. The Heron TP can stay aloft for more than 30 hours, and some reports suggest even longer durations, up to 36 hours or more, depending on the mission profile and payload. Furthermore, it has the capability to operate effectively in all weather conditions, day or night, thanks to its robust design and sophisticated avionics, including de-icing systems. The Heron TP plays an absolutely vital role in Israel's multi-layered defense posture. It is extensively used for critical missions such as long-range border security and surveillance over vast terrestrial and maritime areas, providing persistent overwatch. It is also a key asset for intelligence gathering deep within contested or denied airspace, and is believed to be utilized for preemptive strike operations when necessary. The Eitan's advanced satellite communication systems allow for beyond line-of-sight operations, giving it a truly global reach from Israeli control stations. The development and operational success of the Heron TP vividly reflect Israel's enduring mastery in unmanned aerial technology and its commitment to maintaining a qualitative military edge through innovation. It is also a sought-after system by several allied nations, further testament to its advanced capabilities. Rounding out our top 5, we have another formidable entry from China, the CH-5 Rainbow, developed by the China Aerospace Science and Technology Corporation. This UAV is often touted as China's most powerful and heavily armed drone to date, representing a significant leap in their unmanned combat aerial vehicle capabilities. In terms of size, endurance, and payload capacity, the CH-5 Rainbow is frequently compared to the American MQ-9 Reaper, and in some aspects, it even aims to surpass it. Its development signifies China's ambition to not only meet its own military's advanced requirements, but also to capture a larger share of the international market for high-end attack drones, offering a potent alternative to Western systems. The CH-5 Rainbow boasts some truly impressive specifications that underscore its strategic value. It has a reported payload capacity of over 1,000 kilograms, and some sources suggest it can carry as many as 16 air-to-ground missiles simultaneously, depending on their type and size. This could include a mix of AR-1 and AR-2 missiles, as well as various precision-guided bombs. Perhaps its most remarkable feature is its extraordinary endurance. The CH-5 is claimed to be able to stay airborne for up to 60 hours, which, if accurate, would give it an exceptional loiter time and a strategic reach capable of covering vast distances, potentially spanning continents with mid-mission rebasing or efficient flight profiles. This extended endurance makes it ideal for persistent surveillance and long-range strike missions. A key design philosophy behind the CH-5 Rainbow is its modularity. This allows it to be configured for a wide range of missions beyond just armed strikes. It can undertake sophisticated intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance tasks using advanced electro-optical and radar systems. Furthermore, it can be equipped for electronic warfare missions, including jamming enemy communications and radar, and can also function as a communications relay platform, extending the network coverage for friendly forces. With growing interest from international buyers, particularly from countries looking for advanced UCAVs without the political restrictions sometimes associated with Western arms sales, the CH-5 Rainbow is rapidly becoming a major export product for China. Its emergence prominently showcases China's rapid advancements in UAV design, aerodynamics, avionics, and integrated combat systems, positioning them as a key global player in this critical defense technology sector. And that officially wraps up our comprehensive journey through the top 5 most powerful attack drones currently redefining warfare across the world, right here on the Pooru Sharma Show. From the combat-proven MQ-9 Reaper of the USA to Turkey's rising star, the Bayraktar Akıncı, China's increasingly sophisticated Loong 2 and CH-5 Rainbow, and Israel's strategic sentinel, the Heron TP, we've seen how unmanned technology is taking center stage. These aren't just tools of war. They are high-tech marvels, intricate systems of sensors, software, and lethal ordnance that are fundamentally changing the modern battlefield's dynamics and the very doctrines that govern military operations. The proliferation and advancement of these powerful drones signify a monumental shift in how conflicts are waged. We are witnessing a future where pilots no longer always need to sit in physical cockpits, exposed to direct enemy fire, but can command these formidable aerial assets from secure locations, potentially continents away from the actual theater of operations. This remote capability, coupled with their persistence and precision, offers unprecedented strategic advantages. Each drone we've discussed today doesn't just represent a piece of advanced hardware. It embodies a nation's strategic vision, its investment in technological superiority, and its approach to projecting power and securing its interests in an increasingly complex global landscape. I sincerely hope you found this deep dive into the world of attack drones both informative and engaging. If you enjoyed this video and are keen to explore more deep dives into the fascinating realm of military technology, defense strategies, and geopolitical implications, please don't forget to show your support by hitting that like button, subscribing to the Pooru Sharma Show, and crucially ringing that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Your engagement truly helps the channel grow. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and as always, stay powerful.